Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing some amazing IKEA finds that I just couldn't resist. From stylish storage to cool accessories, I've got it all. Be sure to check out the links for each product in the description below. Let's dive in. Meet ÄPPLARYD, your new favorite spot for unwinding, socializing, and everything in between. Wrapped in a light gray cotton polyester blend with subtle color variations, this sofa adds a touch of texture and warmth to any room. Its fabric is both durable and soft, designed to hold up beautifully over time. But ÄPPLARYD isn't just about looks. It's built for comfort. With cushy inner pocket springs and an inviting, well-tailored cover, it's ready for movie nights, lazy weekends, and family gatherings alike. Plus, its slim legs and clean silhouette create a modern, airy feel that blends seamlessly with different styles. Meet the IDANÄS Drop-leaf table, the ultimate multitasker for any room in your home. Whether you need a compact desk, a cozy dining spot, or a stylish dressing table, this table's flexible design adapts to you. With a smooth drop-leaf extension, it easily expands to make extra room for your laptop, art supplies, or a friend joining you for coffee. The convenient drawer keeps essentials close by and your space looking tidy. Styled in a fresh, crisp white, the IDANÄS table complements any decor and pairs beautifully with other pieces in the IDANÄS series. Perfect for small spaces or anywhere you need a bit of functional charm. The GRINSBYN Chandelier brings style and versatility to your space. With 13 adjustable arms, you can create the perfect look, whether you want a uniform, classic design or a more playful, twisted arrangement. Updated based on customer feedback, this black chandelier not only adds a warm, inviting glow, but also allows you to experiment with its shape to suit any mood or decor. Meet GLASIG, your new go-to for adding a touch of warmth and elegance to any setting. This clear glass candle dish is perfect for cozy dinners or creating a relaxing ambiance anywhere in your home. Its simple, clean design blends effortlessly with any style, and it's sturdy enough to hold both small and large candles. Refresh your cabinets and drawers effortlessly with the GRIBBOL Knob. In a warm brass color, it brings a subtle modern look to any space, while its smooth, easy-to-grip design makes opening drawers a breeze. Available in brass, silver, and black, GRIBBOL offers a versatile look that fits right in with your unique style. Looking to refresh your doors or drawers with a stylish update? GRIBBOL is here to help. This brass-colored handle combines modern design with a grip-friendly shape, making it both practical and chic. Whether you're updating your kitchen or giving your cabinets a new look, GRIBBOL makes installation a breeze and is easy to keep clean. Add a touch of timeless charm with the TÄLLBYN Table lamp. This lamp combines the beauty of nickel-plated metal with a unique mouth-blown opal glass shade that creates a soft, warm glow. Perfect for a cozy reading nook or bedside table, its classic yet robust design brings a bit of nostalgia to your space while adding gentle ambiance. Each piece is uniquely crafted, so you're getting a light that's truly one of a kind. The TÄLLBYN floor lamp adds a lovely nostalgic touch and a soft, welcoming light to any room. Introducing the TÄLLBYN floor lamp, a perfect blend of timeless design and cozy ambiance. With its nickel-plated metal base and mouth-blown opal glass shade, this lamp adds a touch of nostalgia and elegance to any room. The soft, warm light creates a welcoming atmosphere, perfect for relaxing or setting the mood. Each glass lampshade is unique, crafted by skilled artisans, making your TÄLLBYN lamp one of a kind. The Haga chair is a charming addition to any dining area, with its traditional ladder-back design and sturdy, solid wood frame in a soft gray color. It's practical, too. The armless design fits easily under tables, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Add a cushion or seat pad for extra comfort and a personal touch. Perfectly matched with Haga tables, it brings a touch of warmth and character to your dining experience. Make every meal feel special around the Haga table. Introducing the Haga table, a perfect blend of tradition and style for your dining space. With its sturdy wood construction and beautiful gray birch veneer top, this rectangular table comfortably seats up to 4 people. The stained and lacquered finish not only enhances its beauty but also improves its durability, making it ready to handle everyday meals and gatherings. Whether you're hosting a casual dinner or enjoying a cozy breakfast, this table adds a distinct character to your dining area. Pair it with Haga chairs for a coordinated look, or mix and match with Stefan chairs for a unique touch. Bring a touch of artful warmth to your walls with the Warmblixt LED Walls Mirror Lamp. This round, bronze-colored lamp glows softly through tinted glass, creating a cozy ambiance while the mirrored surface reflects and enhances natural light in the room. Perfect for mood lighting, it's also dimmable so you can adjust the glow to suit any occasion. Plus, with built-in energy-saving LEDs, it's as practical as it is beautiful. Jurkberget is more than just a chair. It's a blend of style, comfort, and functionality, perfect for any corner of your home. With its soft, beige, Idekula cover and retro-inspired stitching, this swivel chair adds a hint of elegance to your workspace, dining area, or vanity. The seat height is adjustable to suit your preference, and the padded seat and backrest make it a comfy choice for long hours at the desk. Easy to care for with a machine-washable cover, Jurkberget fits right into compact spaces and offers an ideal combination of practicality and style. Add a touch of sophistication to your entertaining with the Vitera serving stand. With 3 clear glass tiers and a polished stainless steel frame, this modern take on a classic serving stand is perfect for showcasing sweets, fruits, or small appetizers in style. The plates feature raised edges to keep your treats in place, and you can adjust the height to create the look you want. Meet Sällskaplig, the charming glass bowl that brings a nostalgic feel to any table. Its delicate patterned glass and snug-fitting lid make it both beautiful and practical, perfect for keeping treats, trinkets, or snacks fresh and dust-free. Whether it's candies, jewelry, or small desk essentials, Sällskaplig adds a touch of old-fashioned elegance to your space. Say hello to Strollfena, your new kitchen buddy for perfect pasta nights. This solid birch spaghetti server makes it easy to measure just the right amount of pasta with its clever portion hole, ideal for 2 servings. The sturdy wooden fingers help stir and serve spaghetti effortlessly, so you can dish out deliciousness without the fuss. Add a splash of color and joy to your table with the Gladalig tumbler. Inspired by Nordic seascapes, each stoneware tumbler features a unique reactive glaze finish, giving it a handcrafted look that's as charming as it is timeless. These tumblers are perfect on their own or paired with other Gladalig pieces to create a colorful, coordinated table setting that feels equally special for everyday dinners or weekend gatherings. Simplify your storage with the Utrusta partition. This clever insert is a game changer for keeping cookbooks, trays, and table mats organized and within easy reach. Designed to bring order to your cabinets and drawers, Utrusta helps you keep everything neatly in place. For the wine lover with big taste and limited space, Nummerad is the perfect wine cooler. Holding up to 52 bottles, this compact cooler brings the feel of a wine cellar right into your kitchen or bar area. With energy-efficient LED lighting that beautifully illuminates each bottle, 7 pull-out wooden shelves, and a chic stainless steel design, ÄPPLARYD makes selecting your next vintage a breeze. A stylish and efficient way to keep your collection in prime condition, it's ready to add a touch of elegance to any occasion. MITZON is your portable workspace solution wherever you need it. This height-adjustable laptop table is versatile and easy to move, ideal for both office and home use. Adjust the height, tilt the tabletop to find your perfect position, and enjoy its convenient features like a cup holder and stopper to keep your devices secure. Thanks to its smooth casters, MITZON is effortless to roll into any space, making it perfect for presentations, quick emails in a lobby, or as a standalone workstation. With MITZON, your workspace is wherever you want it to be. Introducing the ÄPPLARYD side table, a perfect blend of style and function. With its distinctive architectural design and natural oak effect finish, this table adds a modern yet warm touch to any room. It's designed to fit snugly along your sofa's armrest, but also works beautifully against a wall, offering versatility in placement. The clean lines and open storage spaces give you the perfect spot to organize and showcase your items, while the tactile wood texture brings a cozy, inviting feel to your home. For added convenience, the ÄPPLARYD table is designed to integrate seamlessly with Ikea Home Smart products. You can easily mount a wireless charger under the tabletop, add a Symphonisk bookshelf speaker, or organize cables with the Fixa cable management set. Whether you're adding it to complement the ÄPPLARYD coffee table or creating a sleek, low-storage area along the back of your sofa, this side table brings both style and smart functionality to your space. That's it for today's IKEA finds. I hope you love these pieces as much as I do. Don't forget to check out the links in the description if you're interested in any of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!